Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to enable registration in WooCommerce. If you're running a WooCommerce store and you want customers to create an account, stay tuned because I'll guide you step by step. Let's get started. Alright, first, let's check if registration is currently enabled or not. For this example, I will show you on my website, yudes.com. Open your website and scroll down to the footer menu. Find and click on the Accounts page. Here you will see that only the login option is available. There is no registration option yet, so let's fix that. Now let's enable the registration option from the WordPress admin panel. Log in to your WordPress admin panel. On the left-hand menu, find WooCommerce and click on it. Now go to Settings. In the Settings tab, click on Accounts and Privacy. Now that we are in the Accounts and Privacy section, find the Account Creation settings. Check the box that says Allow customers to create an account on My Account page. Click the Save Changes button at the bottom. That's it. You've successfully enabled the registration option. Now let's go back and check if it's working. Open your My Account page again, refresh the page. Now you'll see the Register option is available. Congratulations! Your WooCommerce store now allows customers to register and create accounts easily. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more WooCommerce tips and tricks. See you in the next video.